Hey everybody, this is Troy from DIY Tube Video Community, and today I want to talk to you about the DIY Tube Coin site. We have a brand new website for the DIY Tube Coin, the video sharing community, and there's a little bit about the coin, can you make money with DIY Tube, explains about DIY Tube Coin, a little bit more about it, how to store it in a wallet and how to trade it. Timeline of events, plan things and things that have already happened, future plans. Got some news that leads over to the community section, the blog. Something new, enter for 1,000 free coins. That is something I mentioned over on a video previously, but if you come over to DIY Tube community and upload 10 videos, and you can come over here and fill out this form and enter for 1,000 coins. This is not a drawing. This is, you will get, the first 1,000 people who enter here will get 1,000 coins. So come on over if you haven't done that. But today, we are looking for a logo for DIY Tube Coin. Now, I'll give you an idea what we got here. Here's DIY Tube logo. That's another thing we're going to be doing later, though. We need to improve the logo on the website up here in the top left on the main home page. But that's a separate deal. Actually, might as well get it going. 500 coins, 500 DIY Tube coins to anybody who designs us a logo, one for the home page. Just clean this up and improve it for us. And we'll enter you into a contest and we'll let the people decide who's the best. And another 1,000 to the winner, whoever does the best logo. We may use any of them or all of them, depending on what people think of them in future moving forward. So if you got any graphic skills, go ahead and submit a logo for the homepage and for DIY Tube Coin. We need a logo for the DIY Tube Coin to get us listed on the exchanges, and I'm not very graphically talented myself, artistically. So here's my logo so far. It's not the prettiest thing in the world, but basically, let me pull one up. Hold on a minute. Okay, we're back. Now here's something I threw together. It's an idea. It's like the Euro coin. If you see the gold band with the silver band in the middle, you got the gold band on the outside and the silver band in the middle. This is just an idea to go with. But something like this, I need a logo about this size and also something that shows up by about 40 by 40 pixels square. Now, obviously, I think it'll look better with maybe a little red band around the outside, maybe one around the inner ring. So the idea, just throwing some ideas out there, a band here and a band here. But you can make your own ideas. Submit your ideas for the main DIY Tube video site and also for DIY Tube Coin. And then we'll let the people judge who has the best idea. And that's the one we'll go with. So 500 coins to anybody who submits a idea and another 1,000 to the winner. So go ahead and get them sent out to us, guys. We are looking forward to having a great logo designed by our viewers and our members here of our site. So get on over here, submit them to troy.thedoityourselfworld@gmail.com. I'll put the links down in the description below and send them in. Talk to you guys later.